Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leadsflex, and that's the lecture number 25 from basic to advanced GoHighLevel training. So let's dive in video and I will show you what we are going to learn in this course. Let me log in our test account that we have created for our video purpose or our course purpose. That's a test account. I just simply click on it and I will log in. These all features I have discussed in my previous video. You can watch complete playlist. I have explained each of these functions step by step and with detailed explanations. So right now I'm going to the site section. In the site section, in previous lectures we have discussed about the funnels, website, store, and we are going to discuss about the webinar funnel. And what is webinar funnel? Webinar funnel is basically it's a type of funnel in which we are present our master class, present our free class, and on the behalf of our free class or master class we will ask customer to book our paid consultation, or book our paid courses, or we can say that we can sell our high ticket products with free class or get the leads, and after that we will convert them into a paid customer or high ticket product. We are going to sell them high tickets products. So right now here we don't have any webinar funnel. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to create a webinar funnel here, but first of all I will create the folder and what to say test funnel, and let's create it. Okay, in the folder I will create webinar funnel, and here we have two types of webinar funnel because webinar have two types. One is on demand webinar and other is a live webinar. For example, you are going to live in for master class, then you can select this one, but if you have already recorded video then you can go with the on demand webinar. So right now I'm going with the on demand webinar. I just click continue, and you need you see what we need for this. We need a form and we need a video, and we need to select our templates, or we need to design our whole templates from the scratch. Here we can put the name. So let's go back. I think we have form, otherwise you need to go back and create your form here, and after that you can start from here. So right now I'm just giving the name test one, and I will say select the form. Yeah, we have forms, so I will say test 01 form, and here we need to select the video, but I think we don't have video in a gallery. So just for test purpose I will upload video from my computer, and hopefully we have a video in my computer. Let's find, yeah, let's go with it. And that's the my client video. I have made a voice chatbot for him, and he just gave me a testimonial, so I'm going to use this one. So video is live now, and in the next section we need to click the format, which formats or which templates you are going to use. For now I'm not going to the blank, I'm going to the using this one, not e-commerce. I'm going to the financial planning. Let's create it, and here we have three webinar page. First is a registration, webinar confirmations, and webinar broadcast. So let's check on it. And by the way, I have explained in these all features in my previous lecture, so you can dive in a previous lecture and you can learn about all these features and how it's work and what's the functionality they have. So right now this is our templates I have. So what they are asking about the template, they say you need to put your data, then you are able to access your master class. You can edit it according to your requirement. I just click on edit button. Yeah, it's the same as we have design funnels, we have design websites, we have design store. It's the same functionality. You can click here, you can change it, you can change the logo here, you can everything. It's so customizable, and you can change your form here as well. But right now I have select this form, and for example I can go with this one. That's a I have deleted this one, so that's why it's look like this. And right now I just click on it. You need to put your information, and if you want to change your design, just simply click and design, change design according to your requirement. Whatever design that's work for you, you can design according to your requirements. I have discussed all things about the designing in my previous lecture, so you can dive in my previous lecture and you will get the idea. Okay, let me go back and I will say yes, go with without editing. And here we have a video page, and I will show you how it works. Here is the video. If you want to add a pop-up here, and yeah, that's a webinar that we are going to present it. And let me go back, and I will say someone came on here. It says that's a dummy number. I'm going to put it, and here we say this email and say, check the number is invalid. Yeah, it's a dummy number. I just put it, and here we see, thank you so much for it. This confirmation is done. Then it will be automatically redirect to the other page. Or another thing is that if they not redirect to, then we will send it to your main page. Once these things are done, once your confirmation is done, then you will be automatically redirect to your video page. And on a video page you can mention all things, and you can watch your master class. So yeah, that's it from this video. We have 3-step webinar funnel. So how you can create the webinar funnel. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to the leadsflex.com. I will mention link in the description box below, and book your free consultation. I will jump with you on a call, and I will discuss each and everything. If you have any questions, simply reach out this chat box, and you can ask any questions. We are available 24/7, and we will hopefully we will reply you as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching.